Welcome to Glial Technologies. At Glial Technologies, we believe that good health is vital to all of us. Finding effective treatments for the most debilitating health conditions of our time cannot wait. Watching a loved one suffer from mental illness or cancer is a devastating experience. For us, it's about humanity. We know the world is counting on us, and because of that, we are bringing medical breakthroughs that will change lives for generations to come. At Glial Technologies, we are changing the course of medicine. Our science is simple yet powerful. We are firm believers that glial cells are at the center of mental illnesses from Alzheimer's to autism and cancers from breast to colon. These very important cells have been ignored by other companies and many other scientists for far too long. We focus in the development of medicines that target glial cells to treat cancer and mental illness. Our treatments have shown to be very effective in many patients, and we know it works. We see it every day. Lives are changed. Families are stronger. People are healthier. At Glial Technologies, we are working hard to make these treatments available to every patient around the globe. We are bringing the future of medicine to you. Glial Technologies.